Hello everyone, I am Pranjali Shalak and today's topic is tissues of humans. Tissues are the group of cells and they are specified into the activities and functions, and study of tissues is called as a histology, and study of tissues disease are called as a histopathology. Tissues are classified into main four types. First is epithelial tissue, second is nervous tissue, connective tissue, and fourth is muscular tissue. First is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue are the simple tissues and also stratified tissues. They are the mm, they are the found in the all layer of skin. Then epithelial tissue are classified into two main types. First is simple epithelial tissue, second is a stratified epithelial tissue. Then first is simple epithelial tissue. It contain one layer or single layer of skin, and these are also classified into four types: simple squamous epithelial tissue, simple columnar epithelial tissue, simple cuboidal epithelial tissue, simple ciliated epithelial tissue, and stratified epithelial tissue are also known as the complex tissue, and it contain one or more layer of cells, or it contain the multiple layer of formation. Then it contain also four types: stratified squamous epithelial tissue, stratified columnar epithelial tissue, stratified cuboidal epithelial tissue, and stratified transitional epithelial tissue. First, simple squamous epithelial tissue. It is simple and it contains one layer of flat cells in the body. It is located in the cardiac uh, cardiac blood vessels, alveoli, and lungs. Then columnar epithelial tissue. It is a column like structure and contain the one layer of cell. And then next is a cuboidal epithelial tissue. It is a cube like structure form, and then it is a contain one or single layer. Then ciliated epithelial tissue. Ciliated epithelial tissue. Uh, it is a hairline structure, and it is a formation formed in the one layer of single layer of epithelial tissue. Then stratified epithelial tissue. It is a contain more or one or more layer or multiple layer. It is the first is squamous stratified epithelial tissue. It is contain flat cells, but it contain multiple layer, two or three layers in the formation of cells. And then second is a columnar stratified epithelial tissue. It contain the column-like structure in the multiple layers. And then next is a uh, cuboidal stratified epithelial tissue. It contains cube-like structure and in the multiple cell. Then transitional epithelial tissue. Transitional stratified epithelial tissue. It is it contain the it is found in the uterus or urinary bladder. It function of transitional epithelial tissue is to in the urinary bladder is hold the fetus, and uterus it is a hold to water or urine. Then next is the function of epithelial tissue. It is a protection of skin layer, and it is a secretion of sebum level, and provide to help to secretion of sebum level. It is a function also filtration, and also absorption of in the skin. There are contain adipose tissue to absorb the sweat or water in the body. And then it also absorb the water level. Then next is second is nervous tissue. In the tissue, it is found in the nervous system. It contain brain, spinal cord, or peripheral nervous system or central nervous system. The function of nervous system is to be uh, in the sheet. There are the it is a protection, and also then it is as work as an insulating agent, and it is a help to cold and protect from cold and hot environment. And it contain in the neurons there are the contain the dendrite, nucleus and axon terminals. It work as a then signal firstly enter into the dendrites, then dendrites to nucleus, and nucleus to axon body, and axon body to transfer in the axon terminals, and these functions are continuously transfer to one neuron to another neuron for the transmission of information, means the dendrites or neurons to body, or body to neurons. Then next is the next third is the connective tissue. Connective tissue, it is a connective tissue, it is a connect, bind or join to, it's a biological structure, and it is a it contain the main three layers. Then first is a loose connective tissue, then second is a dense connective tissue, and third is a specialized connective tissue. In the loose connective tissue there are the three types: loose then adipose tissue, areolar tissue and reticular tissue. And then the help of the work of the adipose tissue is to in the adipose tissue they are the fat tissue, also known as the fat tissue. It is a formation of fat and protect the skin layer, and then it contain fat in the ligament and muscles, and it form in the skin or outer layer of organs, and it work as a protection and connections, connect to joint. And areolar tissue is also found in the skin layer or outer layer of organ. Then reticular tissue, it is found in the spleen, and it work as a protection, filtration and absorption also, and connection of the bone to bone, it's called as a ligament, and bone to joint is called as a tendon. Then next is a dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue, there are the also three types: regular dense connective tissue, irregular dense connective tissue, and elastic dense connective tissue. There are the elastic means they are found in the lungs, muscles to stretch body. And the dense means they are found in the skin, and the irregular dense connective tissue are found in the skin, and dermal means skin in the found in skin, for the protection of skin and the formation of sweats also. Then third is a specialized connective tissue, specified connective tissue. It contain cartilage, bone, blood vessels and lymph. Cartilage, there are the found in flexible and support to structure. And then it then it are the it contain the hyaline three layer hyaline cartilage, uh, and then hyaline cartilage to they are found in the nose and ear of the body. And also then bones, they are found in the bone marrow, and uh, protect the skin is formation is muscles and skin, and to protect skin and stretching and to the join the uh, join the uh, join the bones. And then third is blood vessels, they are found in the cardiac and blood cells through transformation of the bloods to our body. And then last is lymph nodes are found in the lymph nodes and the fluid transformation. Then it is a function of the connective tissue is to be connect the bones like ligament and tendons. These are the help to joint and strengthening muscles, and then protection also. Also it also filtration, and also work as a various parts of the muscle tissues in the secretion also. Then next is a muscles tissue. There are found to be three muscles tissue: um, smooth muscle, cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles. Smooth muscles, then first of all, cardiac muscles, they are the involuntary muscles, and it contain one nucleus, and they are found to be heart of the heart, in the formation of blood pumping and transformation of blood and airways. Then next is a connective tissue. Smooth tissues are they are found in the internal organ, like digestive system, stomach, then are found in liver, various part of the digestive system, intestine, small intestine also. They are the voluntary tissues, and it contain the uh, multiple layer, means single nucleus also, and help to the digestion and straightening of the muscles, and they are flexible sometimes. Then skeletal tissue are found in to be legs and hands of the body, and these are the also involuntary, and they are contain multiple nucleus in the cells. They are one in the one cell, they are the multiple nucleus, and help to the body support, protection, and uh, various also the sweat removal and stretching of the body. Then function of muscles tissue is to be protection, support, flexible, and then in the cardiac tissue, there are the protect the blood, protect the heart to various fat tissue, and other environmental issues. Then it's about tissues. Thank you so much.